So please take next 1 hour and check what is written here and what I'm telling you, because there are some useful information that you can find here which can help you to be more successful in Biodome sales. So let's start. What is doming? This here is definition of the doming that I found on internet, but according to my definition, doming is upgrade to your normal vinyl square meter. I don't know what is the price in your market. In my market, you can sell 1 square meter of vinyl, let's say for 10 euro. If you calculate how many small stickers, doming stickers, you can make from 1 square meter, you will see that you will get the price up to 20 or even 30 more for 1 square meter doming than a normal vinyl. So I would say this is upgrade. So doming, what do you get is you get the glossy surface. Doming is 100% transparent. Over the time it will not become a yellow, so you have a very glossy and flexible surface. Your design under it can be printed on solvent, eco solvent, latex, UV, thermal or whatever printer, so you can use whatever you want. Under it you can take some under it you can choose which kind of vinyl do you want to have. So the best is to have polymeric vinyl, let's say 5 years durability or so on, but 3 years polymeric is also very good. You can choose adhesive. You have transparent, you have gray, you have black, depending on the surface that you want to apply your sticker. In the end, release liner paper. The good thing is to have a good release liner up to 150 grams, because in UV oven it will stay absolutely flat. So what is important to know in everything that we are selling, it's how to apply it. I always sell that there's a nice story when the guy came to the machinery store and want to buy a drill. He don't want to have a machine itself. He want to have a hole inside of the wall or whatever. So we are selling tools or equipment for certain applications. So those are some applications. First of all, those are promotional application or products which are mostly used with the doming system. So you can find from the badge, ID badge, keychains, pens, leather, hundreds and hundreds products that you can do with this. Point of sales, you can make a lot of ID unique cards. Now with our doming system, you can make different, every doming you can make a different with the serial numbers, barcodes, whatever your heart desire for badges or so on. Then this is signage, cuts vinyl in different shape for vehicle. They are long durability. They have a long durability outside, so it can be used in different industry. We will come to this. Identification, trophy, awards, medals, plates, badges, souvenirs, gifts, whatever. There are 100 different kind of application of the material. It can be applied to only non-porous material, plastic, metal, glass, PVC, wood, so on. From the industry you can find a dozen industry that can be used for automotive, from computers, from medals, pendants, children toys, PVC, wood industry, metal industry, I don't know. So this is the small movie that I prepared with the small stickers that I took, for some photos that I took by myself, or also something that I found on internet. So I have a huge database of these applications, but to make this short, this is something that I prepared for you. So that's it. Move forward. Biodome systems. Biodome is unique, non-hazardous, and only one component resin today in the world. That makes us a huge competitive advantage. It's very low smell, or no smell at all, and very environmental friendly products. The resin is applied to the sticker with the air pressure and with a measurement device. After the resin is formed on the dome over the media, it will be dried inside the UV oven, which is specifically designed and developed for this application. As a result of this drying time, it's few minutes, or to be more exact, it is 11 minutes. Models. The first model that we have, it's manual system light for maximum up to 600 pieces. I would say this 600 pieces makes 1 square centimeter rounded, same shape, same size. So this is for system components. You get UV oven, UV 420, liquid container, 5-liter volume, hand dispenser with a flexible quantity, metal one. Target customers for this system are they are ideal for starting systems for small and medium quantities, always available but manual dispensing. So for small souvenir shop, for small parts, for the customers that have street offices, that they have a lot of customers coming and asking for few doming stickers, all different things. Then we can upgrade this model by adding this hand dispenser with a flexible quantity, electric controller, and automatic dispenser with a foot pedal. So using this, we will get a professional system looking like this. Professional system made by 900 pieces per hour. It has a UV oven 420, liquid container 5-liter volume, hand dispenser for flexible quantity, automatic dispenser with a foot pedal. The targeted customers are professional system for medium and large quantities. It's always available, and you can adjust the quantity of the resin that you want to apply. So if you have a large quantity of the same looking or same size stickers, it can help you a lot to improve your speed. SWOT analysis. What do we have? Strengths. This is unique system. UV curing is 5 to 10 minutes, so you have your products very fast on the market. It's easy to handling of one component material. There is no toxic vapors or smell. Weaknesses. Price. If you want to compare it with other manual systems like Eurodrop or Polydrop, which are supplying small kits with the guns or syringes, and customer can buy it for 100 or 200 euros. We have only one resin producer, so maybe this could be unsafe for the future. New product, it's always risk for the customer. Even if you have 3 years experience with this and the product is 3 years on the market, still a lot of customers don't trust me when I say that this is one component resin, and because of that they already heard or they try already many bad system, one component system before Biodome. Opportunities. As I said, this is unique system, so this is unique opportunity to create a certain monopoly in the resin production and sales. So if we are managed to get a certain number of the machines on the market, we are the only one who can sell the resin. Also, we can bundle this with other products. You can show it on the page 25. We can use our new printer Sign ACE33. It is I will tell you later what is it. Together with the Craft Robo, with a small amount of money you can make a full line of the production for the stickers. And this will open us non-graphic markets. We are talking about souvenirs, we are talking about photocopies, we are talking about small shops and so on. Threats, fast development, bad support. So because of this system, and it shows us on last few fairs that it's really interesting system, and we want to keep up with our support. Competitors, if somebody try to copy us and not to succeed fully, it can be a bad chance. Also, we have a 3 years experience, so we don't know what will happen with the resin in, let's say, 10 years from now. And the usage of this resin is outdoor, for car industries, so on. So we are not safe what will happen, and we are not 100% sure. New products that we are developing this moment is a new resin. If we put it fast on the market, it could create a certain problems. So all these things here are assumptions, not real thing, but we have to take care about it, and we have to think in future. Competitors, first and most common is Polydrop. This is manual system, automatic system, and of course Polymix. This is a mixer that you have to use to mix two components in order to use it. So for more info about our competitors, please click this link here and see what they have on the website. Next is Convex, also manual, also automatic system. Competitors, Liquid Lens, manual system. You get the kit, you get the two components cartridges that you apply by hand. Also you can see the black here, it's a certain type of lighter, and if you see that it is big, that means that you are using it often, and it's used to burn the bubbles from the stickers that they are creating. Automatic systems are two systems. You can see the Opal Domag machine. This under the machine, it's a shelf that you can storage already done pieces or already done sheets of doming, so you can see if you move a little bit or if you make a mistake, you can destroy it. A lot of work. For more info about Liquid Lens, please click on this link here. Competitors, Color Deck have only automatic machines. Color Deck is big system. We are talking 30 up to 100,000 euros for huge quantities and huge number of the stickers. So this is something that we don't want to compare, but if you want to learn more, click here on this link. This is a small video which will show us how the two component system is working. So here under that you see is a mixer. Also you can see the container that you mix two components. First of all, you have to wait. Usually if you are using normal systems, it is half-half, but for more flexibility or more hardness firm, you have to add, let's say, up to 35 to 65% of different components. Then you have to mix it, of course. This is special Polymix. The mixing time is, let's say, 5 minutes, around 5 minutes, depending on the quantity of one and two components. Sorry for the bad quality of video, but also the system is very bad, so no harm. So after 5 minutes it's mixed. You have to prepare your surface, so it has to be 100% leveled. Use the same plate as for Biodome. Use some spray and glue in spray, sorry. Put your cut vinyl or what you are using on it, and then you prepare your syringe. This is automatic system that you can see in front of you. So what you need is open this has to be clean automatically, because the system, if it is not clean inside of the 15 minutes, it will dry. So you put this, you can see how much bubbles there is in the syringe, because it's mixed, of course. Close it, and as I said, this is the type of automatic system from Polydrop. It's used also by air pressure to use the doming, so but there is no possibility to create by hand amount of resin that you are putting there. So this is it. We want to compare two component versus one component system. So very long drying time, up to 11 minutes. Mixed material must use up to 15 minutes. Open material can be used in 12 months or 1 year. Clean room is required to avoid dust. No special room required. Cleaning with special chemicals, no cleaning necessary. Small volumes impossible or too expensive. Same price for 10 pieces of 10,000 pieces. I want to explain this a little bit more, because when you want to mix two components, and you know that you have to put, I don't know, if you put 1 kilo of the resin, then you can make, like say, 6 or 7,000 pieces 1 square centimeters. But if somebody ordered to you, let's say 3 by 5, 10 or 15 pieces, you don't know how much resin you can mix it, and the minimum that you can mix is 200 milliliters or 20 deciliters. So for this amount you can put, let's say this is fifth of the 1 kilo, so let's say around 1,000 stickers you can make with this. So when you calculate all together, it's very hard to decide, and it's very big waste. For Biodome, open the system, put air inside, and you can make 10 pieces up to 10,000 pieces. The price is same. Long preparation time, so you need to mix, you need to prepare, you need to do whatever you need, and then to use it. It's ready in 1 minute. Also drying time of two components is 24 up to 48 hours, and our one component is up to 11 minutes. Consumption for two components is double. It's 30 grams per 1 centimeter, square centimeter. Sorry, this is the mistake. Also consumption of our Biodome is half, and the waste of two component system is 40%, and with our system there is no, or it's very low waste. Here I made a mistake, so we have 0.30 grams per 1 centimeter square, and consumption of Biodome is not 10 grams, it's 0.15 grams for 1 square centimeter. Sorry, I will change this. So we go to our systems. So we have a manual system. This will show you unboxing of the system. So I will stop talking, and I will add a little bit music from MMTV. We have Rihanna in this moment, so I hope that you will enjoy. those were our systems, our manual, our professional system. You saw the video how to unbox it, how to assemble it, and how to use it. Also you saw the UV dryer, how to set up and how to use it. This is one of the idea that I had, and which can create us a more work and open us a more doors for more market. We want to introduce you the printer of SignRacer 33, which is 33 centimeter wide eco-solvent printer using DX5 heads and our E12 Emerald ink. Together with the Flexi software and Graphtec Craft Robo, we can make these markers, and what it's printed on SignRacer 33, it can be cutted on Craft Robo, and of course using manual system light to make a doming. So this small line can be bought for, let's say, 8,000 euros of total investments, and it can create a customer a nice profit. Short summary: Biodome is only one component resin system in the world. It has more than 10 huge and big advantages comparing to two component system. Memorize them, use them. It's easy to use and easy to maintain. Repeat this to your customer, but also if you are a salesman, sales manager, try it yourself. It's fun, it's easy, and you can learn a lot about it. This system and resin is 100% eco-friendly. We have a REACH certificate, which is proving that there is nothing dangerous inside or toxic inside of our resin. We have a same cost for 10 pieces of 10,000 stickers. So your customer can start with a small job and build his profitable business from there. There is no cleaning necessary and there is no waste in our system. Those things are most important to memorize or to tell your customer if you want to sell the system. So this is all. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that we will have opportunity again to talk about this. So by then I wish you all the best.